Hello everyone and welcome once again to Aviation A to Z. Today we are publishing our 58th video. If you are new, please subscribe and click on bell icon to never miss our videos. This video is really special and very helpful for all students studying or going to take admission in AME colleges. So watch this video till end. And it's really true, I have my friends who have got this scholarship. So let's get started. The scholarship which you are going to get is provided by one of India's oldest company, Tata, and its foundation to help those who needs it, that is Tata Trust. Tata Trust works for social welfare and has started many interventional programs covering various aspects of human development. Trust also engage with individuals to support the meritorious and needy, especially for medical and educational support. Already they have provided scholarship to more than 3,000 students, including several friends of mine in several categories like MSc, B.Ed, MEd, Medical, to our pilots and AME students. For more details on other scholarships, visit tatatrusts.org. Now let's see how to apply for AME scholarship. Go on Google Chrome and search for Tata Trust. The site will open and you will be redirected to a home page. Now there are various options. Out of them, click on Institutional Grant Program and then on Educational Grants. You will be redirected to Educational Grants, and there is beautiful article about how this program started and how many students are benefited. After reading this, there are scholarship sections, and in which go to AME field. As you can see here, it is closed for 2019-20 as of now, but it will be open once we will get rid of COVID crisis. But not to worry, I will tell you each and every procedure to get this valuable scholarship. First of all, remember, there is no caste system in getting scholarship and every student is treated equally. Also, it doesn't matter you are poor or rich, but they will give scholarship to deserving brilliant students. So let's see eligibility. Number 1. If you just pass your 12th or HSC exam with 80%, yes, 80%, then you are eligible. If you are already a student and doing AME course, then in SEM 3 and 4, you need to score aggregate 85%. These two criteria are very crucial and you must keep this in your mind. Now, we will see what is official requirement. You need to submit everything online by logging into tatatrust.org account and filling application form, which includes your basic personal details and parents' occupation. You also need to upload following documents like Aadhaar card, college ID card, your 12th result or semester result, fee structure. This document will be provided by college, fee receipt if paid for semester, your bank passbook and blank check, and most important, your earning family members' salary slip or income tax returns. This all document must be clearly visible and valid. Now what's next? After submitting each and every mandatory document, they will contact you if they found any discrepancies or fault and tell you to resubmit that doc or fill that information. After everything sorted, your form will be checked. Now, how much scholarship you will get? Depending on fee structure of college, your condition, number of students seeking the help, and other factor as well, they will decide the amount and it will be final. You need not have to argue and worry about it. Usually, if your fees is 6 lakh rupees, then they will give 2 lakh approximately. So it's really helpful and great initiative by great company. Again, question will arise, after how much time you will get it? It usually takes 3 to 4 months for them to review and verify each form and transact the amount directly into your bank account, from which you can pay fees later to your college or institute. They will also felicitate and give medals and certificate to students getting scholarship, and believe me, it's really proud to get it with your parents and teachers looking right at you. In our institute, Mr. Vivek Kulkarni sir has helped us a lot to get scholarship, and in our institute 13 students were awarded the scholarship of 1 lakh plus rupees as our fees was little lower. Once again, thank you to Tata Trust for helping our aviation friends. We are proud of Tata and wish every deserving and brilliant student must receive this scholarship. Let's see update for this year. Tata has not given dates for AME scholarship and may be delayed further. In 2019, it was end of June, but you will get 1 month to submit all docs. And I request you to be ready before dates come. If you are eligible, then please apply for this scholarship. It's really helpful and worth to get it. At last, to conclude, Tata has always helped us in every situation. Tata Trust has already given 1000 crore rupees to PM Care Funds, and I want you all to help our Indian families by contributing your valuable monies. We all together will defeat this virus for sure. Share this video to all your friends and tell them about this scholarship program. If you are still watching, then here is your bonus. I have given link for PDF of requirement provided by Tata Trust in 2019. It may change for 2020, but it's good to refer and be ready. Final thanks to Tata Trust. And thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, keep learning. See you in next video.